I'm pretty sure everyone who knows an ounce of Python automation has made a piano tiles bot and posted it on YouTube at this point, but I'm a person and I know an ounce of Python automation, so it looks like we're gonna be. I'm sure you know what piano tiles is, but in case you don't, it's basically these rectangles fall down and you have to click them to the beat of a song to make the song. First model was really simple. All it did was take a screenshot, check a pixel in each column. If that pixel was black, it would click it. And it did that over and over again until it messed up or it got too fast. Alright. That absolutely did not work. Stop. I didn't know how to kill switch. So what was happening was I was taking the RGB values of the pixels I wanted to check, and I was checking if the R value was over 0, and I now realize that that makes me look like an absolute idiot because every single color has an R value of over 0 except for black, which is the one color I want to click. I implemented some new logic where it would now check the green value in the RGB code, so it wouldn't get tripped up on these tiles. It could still click the black ones, and the background had like a G value of like 170 or something, so I would just check if it was less than 150. Oh yes, it's clicking them. Okay. I want to see how long this can run, and I think once it gets fast enough, the pixels should just run out of it. So I'll just check in then. Oh, never mind. It already stopped.
A few moments later.
Okay, I think it usually fails at like 70. Okay, I think this is definitely farther than last time. I'll check back in when it fails. Okay, 482. I think 400 is about PyAutoGUI's limit, which is the Python library I've been using to get the screen colors and look at them. So I'm going to switch over to MSS, which is a faster screen recognition software, and hopefully it will work much better. After a quick conversation with GPT and a ton of Google searches, I finally switched over to MSS, and I hope it's faster. Alright. It did not work. Okay, I think I fixed it. I just had some coordinate errors because these coordinates should be relative to my screenshot, and before they were relative to my screen. Alright, here we go. Real moment of truth. So, you remember how I talked about relative coordinates? Yeah, well, I totally did that wrong, so I need to fix that. One quick fix later, and it still doesn't work. Oh, never mind. I don't know what just happened, but it started working. Let's see how long this can go. Okay, I think it beat my previous record of like 420 something. So this module is definitely going faster. Let's see how high I can go. I don't know what just happened. Okay, I was just running it. I think it might have just been an error last time because now it's going on for a long time. Okay, it failed again. I don't know why. Okay, so my theory is that the module I used read the screenshot twice on accident. So it thought there were 2 squares there, so it clicked it twice, and it clicked it once, which actually clicked it, and then it clicked again, which messed up. So I don't think the game can deliver 2 squares in the same column back to back. So all I did was implement a system that said, hey, if you clicked this column last time, you can't click it again, even if you think there's a black square. And hopefully that should improve it. After a little bit of implementing and troubleshooting, this happened. by this I meant disappointment, because it wasn't good enough. Anyways, the next thing I added was a little jump start, because MSS seemed really bad at clicking the start key, so I just used PyAutoGUI for the first one because speed didn't really matter at all. It was at this point where I even came up with a new goal for this video. Okay, Piano Tiles world record is 1,030 tiles. I need to beat that or I can't end this video. This new model was cooking. I was getting 700s, 900s, I even got over 1,000 one time. But I still couldn't hit my goal. It just needed one thing, and then it came to me. See, the problem is I'm recognizing the tiles and clicking, but I'm clicking too late and they move out of the way. So what if I added a tiny little offset that increased ever so slightly every time a tile passed by? So as they get faster, I also click slightly lower so I have more time to react. And with this final change, it was ready. Yes! We beat the world record. Oh my goodness, finally. Finally. Okay, I'm just gonna let this run. Okay, we lost at 1700. This bot was super fun to make, and so was the video. Thank you for watching. Like and subscribe if you would like.